The sound of one hand slapping. Yeah, apparently Hololive English also does these like hologram style things nowadays. And this one was recommended to me. It came out 7 hours ago, so I'll check it out. It's Mume, Crony, and Fauna, so this could be fun.
Maybe we need to trick everyone into thinking we're slapping each other. But we don't actually want to slap each other.
Well.
Hey, Crony!
Ow!
Oh, wait!
I can't believe you would do that!
I've heard this. Earlier today, I recorded like a Hololive animation thing, and
Yes, that's why you bystander.
the audio from this was used on that. Oh, okay, so it probably is from an actual stream then, I guess.
Here, I'll do it for you.
Alright. Okay, it sounds like they were doing like an off collab. It doesn't sound like they're actually slapping. Sounds like it's like stage slaps. Okay. So is this from an actual stream? Oh yeah, original stream. What is it? Not ASMR. Alright, you know what? I'll probably check that stream out then. Because that was one that I was planning on maybe looking up. But then I didn't check to see if it was actually a stream. Man, what a like coincidence for me! Like holy shit! Earlier today, recorded like a compilation of animations that will probably be released after this one. So my reaction to that compilation that contains the audio that this one does. Okay, so is the Hololive EN animations that they're doing, like their hologram, it seems like they're not going to do what JP does, and they use like things that are written for that specific episode. It seems like what they're probably going to do is that they're going to take audio from streams and then do a story based off those little clips. That could be fun, actually. So I'll check those out when they come out. Hopefully, maybe like once a week.